Hi, this is Heather Hunt. This is a demo for the line dance that I choreographed to the song Tornado by Little Big Town. First I will show the dance using dance terms. Then I will show the dance using counts. Kick, ball, tap. Kick, ball, tap. Scuff, hitch, stomp. Scuff, hitch, stomp. Kick, cross over your shin. Quarter turn step, touch, slide, drag. Skate, skate, shuffle, step. Step, cross behind, heel, jack, and cross. Step, cross behind, heel, jack, and cross. Quarter turn left, kick, ball, change. You want to make sure that you end up with your weight on the right foot. Then you're going to do a left sailor step, step forward, right, and drag. Then quarter turn left, step left, and drag. And that's the end of the dance. Now we'll do the counts. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.